I checked out TurboLearn AI, and honestly, it's one of the more interesting study tools to show up recently. The idea is simple. You upload your textbooks, class notes, or lecture slides, and the AI turns everything into clean summaries, study guides, flashcards, and quizzes. For students who struggle with information overload, this can actually save a ton of time. The interface is clean, the outputs are well structured, and the study modes are easy to use. But here's the catch. The quality of the results depends heavily on the input. If your notes are messy, poorly scanned, or inconsistent, TurboLearn sometimes creates summaries that feel incomplete or oversimplified. It's great at organizing content, but it's not perfect at interpreting complex diagrams, equations, or deeply technical explanations. Another thing to consider is pricing. Some users say the free version is very limited, and unlocking the best features requires a subscription. That's not unusual for AI platforms, but something to keep in mind. Overall, TurboLearn is legit and genuinely useful for students looking to study faster. Just don't expect it to replace real understanding. It's a strong helper, but your actual learning still matters.